Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on Firefox 69, which was released on September 3rd, and this is the fifth major browser update in 2019. In this video, I'm going to cover some of the key changes in this new browser update. First of all, Mozilla has implemented performance improvements for Windows 10 users via the Process Priority Manager. They have introduced a new Firefox Preference, as you can see here. This will help set content process priority levels, essentially giving active tabs priority by dedicating more processor power and deprioritizing background tabs. Next up, tracking protection has been further enhanced. In Firefox 69, third-party tracking cookies and cryptomining scripts are automatically blocked by default. If you use the strict settings, you will notice that it blocks fingerprinters as well, and the custom settings give you a little more flexibility to customize. Autoplay blocking has been enhanced in this new version of Firefox. Under Privacy and Security, in the Permissions section, if you click the Settings button, now you will see these new autoplay options to block any kind of autoplay. In Firefox 69, the Adobe Flash player has been disabled by default. As you probably are aware, Adobe Flash will be deprecated in 2020. Mozilla has now removed the Always Active option for Flash Player content. And finally, userchrome.css and usercontent.css won't load automatically anymore. Some Firefox users use these CSS files to customize Firefox for a personalized experience. So if you're using these CSS files, you'll need to change this Firefox preference value to true. So these were some of the notable changes in Firefox 69. You can check the list of detailed changes in the release notes. You'll find the link in the description section. In terms of the BrowserMark benchmark test results, the overall performance of Firefox was slightly better compared to the earlier version, though Google Chrome continues to outperform. Well, that's it for now. Until next time, thanks for watching.